Hello, this is Trent Speck here, and I'm talking on cultural diversity and what it exactly means, how to look for it, and make sure that everyone is safe at the high school level. So, diversity, um, global, love this Wordle. This is what you call a Wordle, and so understanding what makes us different and why that is awesome and makes us human. So, what is that diversity? There are a lot of different definitions when it comes to diversity. The best one that I've found is probably diversity includes important and interrelated dimensions of human identity, such as race, ethnicity, gender identity and expression, socioeconomic status, nationality, citizenship, religion, sexual orientation, ability, and age. This comes from Luther College 2018. Very good website to look at. Um, so make sure that you understand that there's a lot of different things that go into diversity. It's not just gender or which is also known as sex. It's not socioeconomic or race. I mean, they're way different things. Ability is sometimes overlooked. Um, Citizenship is sometimes overlooked, etc. So, understanding differences, okay? In the end, things that make us different makes us all the same. So, understanding that we're all humans is important, okay? One person isn't better than the other person. I think that's important to learn at GCHS, okay? We all have similarities whether we know it or not. These can be positive or negative. We all have differences. These are either positive or negative, okay? Most of the time when we see differences, we think of it as a negative thing. This is a positive thing, okay? And then similarities. Sometimes most of the people think this is a positive thing. Well, that can also be negative because we're looking at we're all the same. We want to be unique, okay? Commitment to understanding the differences makes us humbled and have great humility. Continuing to strive to see that there are disparities and overcome these in social class, race, sexism, sexual orientation, and etc. is vital. So, how do we value diversity? Okay, so I think understanding diversity is important in respecting people and or students. Achieving more diverse learning environment will promote students to learn from each other. Um, and then also from Luther College, diversity enhances the intellectual, emotional, moral, and spiritual life of the community. And I think this picture depicts that very important. Notice we have girls, we have guys, different colors, different backgrounds, etc. I think this shows that this brings us together on an idea or a subject and shows us that we all are on the same um, goal, okay, or same aspiration. So, what we can do at Garden City High School as educators or um, in the education department. So, I think number one is help kids understand that diversity makes them or us unique. It's okay to be different. Make sure students respect each other's decisions. Okay, diversity is crucial, but we have to respect that also. Lift them up if they are down, and have them talk to principals or counselors if they are feeling down. Okay, when it comes to diversity, what we can do at Garden City High School continued. Talk to a class about what words are appropriate if it comes up. Okay, provide a positive atmosphere where students know that there is no student that will be discriminated against because of socioeconomic, race, sex, ability, age, or sexual orientation. And know the different types of discrimination and how to combat these. So there's verbal, okay, notes, written, or sorry, verbal is oral, talking, written down, cyber, phones, groups, etc. Understand when this happens and where it happens and how to combat this. Okay? And what can you do in the workplace? Report it or submit it if you are having problems with a student. Provide a positive learning atmosphere and keep learning. Keep it fun and keep building relationships, which is important. Okay? Um, this goes to show you the diversity. You have cheerleaders, you have band, you have pep club at a football game. Okay, that is important. Bringing everyone together to provide that positive atmosphere. Here are the references. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this. Thank you again.